record camera and save as a 3D video. If you need to present your 3D layout, you can prepare your presentation with a recorded video of the manufacturing plant. Start the 3D view in your layout. First, click the clock on the top left corner of your screen and pick your desired speed of either slow, normal or fast. In the menu, pick the function Record a Video. Pick your starting position, and once you are ready, click on the red Start Record button. Now you can navigate through your plans by holding the left button on your mouse to walk, the middle mouse button for rotate the camera, the mouse wheel to zoom, the E and Q keys to adjust the height, and the space button to pan the camera. Click pause once you are done with the video. There are two ways to save your progress. Firstly, to save your progress, you can go to the top left and click Export Camera Positions. With this, you save the camera path, for example, to record the same camera movement later for a more processed planning state. The second case is to click the Save button. This will save the video in the video format you want. Be sure you do not close the 3D view until rendering is complete. Now you can include the video in your presentation.